Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XDC from Uphold to your wallet in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Uphold and want to move it to a secure wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have the Uphold app or website open and your account logged in. In 2025, Uphold has streamlined its interface, so navigation is a breeze. Head over to your dashboard and locate your XDC holdings. You'll see a portfolio section. Click on that to view your XDC balance. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw option next to your XDC. This might be under a Transactions tab or directly in the asset details. Once you're there, you'll need to enter the wallet address where you want to send your XDC. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. XDC operates on the ShinFin network, so ensure your wallet is compatible. Think MetaMask or a dedicated XDC wallet. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer. Uphold might show you estimated fees, which in 2025 are pretty low thanks to network improvements. Hit Confirm and review the details one last time. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. The transaction should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, but keep an eye on network congestion. Once it's done, check your wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. If you run into any issues, Uphold's support is top-notch, or you can reach out to the ShinFin community for help. Remember, managing your crypto wisely is key to long-term success. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit that bell icon. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.